How to see your iPhone model. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Inside the General menu, tap on About at the very top. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your device's vital information. As you can see, you can check the specific model name of your phone right at the top of this list. This information is very useful when you need to check for accessory compatibility or when seeking technical support from Apple. Following these steps, you can very easily see your iPhone model. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.